In this video, we will learn how to search with the Google Lens in Google Chrome. So let's start. This is my Google Chrome. So here I search some news and I select these top stories. Okay. Then I just right click on this article and click on the search with the Google Lens. Here you see the one message is pop up. Select anything to search with the Google Lens. So I select this photo. Okay. And here you found the result. So this result for the people is search. Okay, so this is a way you can use the Google Lens. If you want to search again, select the person. I just drag it and select this. Okay, you can select the anything. I just select the this news. Okay, and you can found this article related all news. So I select this one. Same as here you found the same article related the news. See here, MVA withdrawals, same as MVA withdrawals, alliance. So these are the same article related. So I select this. Okay, see same name is search here. So this is a way you can use the Google Lens in Google Chrome. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.